Hello guys, welcome to this video. We are going to quickly take a look at how you can add, say, issues, epics, themes, kind of project management implementation with sprints in Django-admin. So here's mangoblogger.com. Here's my website, mangoblogger.com. And you can find more about the website in here. I manage all of the development tasks for this website in Django admin, and this is how it looks like. It takes inspiration from JIRA for epics, sprints, and then issues as tasks. And then I also schedule some of my tasks. Uh, so that's scheduled tasks. You can take a look at my tasks. I can quickly edit the description over here, change the status, epic name. Uh, this works great for me, and I can also filter my issues by like due date, by the status, epic that they belong to, and a lot of more things. The main important things for me were sprint. I want to plan it weekly, so I have sprints and issues and being able to schedule the issues however I want. I think that's pretty difficult or at least it is a paid feature in other tools, so I don't have to pay anything for how I want my project management to work. So if you want if you want to implement this in your Django project, you can come to mangoblogger.com, go to blogs and open this blog, JIRA, Trello, task management in Django. Here you will find code for the Django model, right? For the Django model. Sorry, the code doesn't look great right now, but it's not very big. If you know Python, you can get it installed in like an hour, less than an hour, I would say, or else just ask ChatGPT how to run this in Django or give me step-by-step guides. ChatGPT will tell you, and then you have a Django website running where you have your own project management, and again, you can implement like a drag and drop functionality to it or however you want. So this is the code, and this is how I manage my tasks. Hopefully this is helpful to you. If not, let me know your thoughts or any other methods you have tried to not pay anyone any money and manage your project management. If there is enough interest, maybe I can make this live for free for you so you can manage your tasks on mangoblogger.com. Let me know in the comments. Thanks.